Hello, this is Savannah. This is my hamster, Snowflake. And this is his cage. There you go, Snowflake. See, look, there's Snowflake. Isn't he cute? No, Bryson. Because. Okay, and this is my other hamster, Teddy. He is a teddy bear hamster. Right, you Teddy. He's got red eyes.
Okay, Savannah, let me say something.
So this is Snowflake. Afraid you're gonna bite me. I mean, he. Yeah, I know. It's a boy, and I call it a Snowflake. I don't care. It's white. It reminds me of snow. So his name is Snowflake. He's very fat.
Hit that like button if you want to hear the weird noises they can make.
Okay, and here are my salamanders.
Hold your phone tightly over that.
What?
Hold your phone very firm griply over that.
Over here are my other salamanders under this turtle shell. Yeah, I lifted the turtle shell so they can see the salamanders.
And it's so slimy.
All right, Bryson, pick one up. I don't think they can see them there.
I choose this one.
Hand it over here. Over here where I can see it. See, that's salamanders. Okay, put her back down. All three of them are all girls.
Oh, wait, you need
Oh, yeah, put their little shell back down in there so they can hide. And then here, I got some baby praying mantises. Somewhere. They're really small. Somewhere. Somewhere here.
Hit that like button if you want to see them. Hit that like button if you want to see them in the next video.
Okay, they're in here somewhere. They're just really small and I can't find them at the moment.
Hit the like button if you want to see that in the next video.
Yeah, hit the like button if you want to see them in the next video. Okay. Oh, Bryson, give me my puppy.
Don't you want to show that in another video? Any likes?
Okay, yeah. Okay, if you want to see my dog's puppy, hit the like button. Okay.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell.
What?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell.
Tell them.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell. Show our channel some love.